This will be Old Blue's last ride with me anyway. Taking it to a little place about an hour or so north of us. We're going to trade it to an International 504 tractor. And here she is. We've got it home. Didn't get any footage of us loading it or unloading or doing any of that, but this is supposed to be, I think, a 1961 model International 504. I got to verify that with the serial number, but it is a gasser, and it needs a little bit of work on the fuel system. It needs a tire on the other side. So I'm going to be working on that throughout the winter. It's sort of a winter project. It runs right now and operates, but it needs a little work to get it in pretty good shape and get it field ready. We'll have it ready to go by spring, hopefully. I'd had that old truck for a little bit over a year and a half now, and it had been pretty dependable and served its purpose here, but I've got a different truck that I'm driving now, and it was just going to do a lot of sitting, and I need equipment to work with, so I think it was time for Old Blue to move on down the road. And the fella that owns him now was pretty excited to get him, and going to do a little work on it, and I think it'll have a good life. And of course, I've still got Old Faithful. This is my old Ford 8N. I just need another tractor that had a little bit more horsepower and something a little bigger that I could probably put a front end loader or something on later. So it'll be a good addition to the farm here. I've been going to work all day, and Ralphie's happy to see me. Ralphie is a good boy. Had to feed these two girls on the ground. Their food bucket is full of mud, so I just dumped it out on the ground this evening. Mixing my own feed. Now we've got our animals fed and got us fed for the evening. I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about what we're doing. We're growing our little homestead, and in the very near future, we're going to be offering pork on the halves and wholes locally, and also by the cut. And we're also exploring the possibility of being able to ship that to you folks if you're interested in buying it, maybe as in packages, frozen, shipped to you in insulated boxes. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. Also, I'd like for you to comment and just let me know what kind of content that you'd like to see here as far as cooking and homesteading and grilling and all that. All of our videos are going to continue to have cooking as a major theme, so we want to hear from you. Hope you're all doing well. I just want to say God bless you, and look out for more content soon.